Is WhatsApp not showing your saved photos in your iPhone's gallery? This is a common issue caused by settings or permissions. In this guide, I'll show you simple solutions to make sure your WhatsApp photos appear in your gallery. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check WhatsApp settings. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down, tap Chats. Ensure that Save to Photos is toggled on. This setting allows your WhatsApp photos to be automatically saved in your gallery. Solution 2. Check privacy settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps. Find out WhatsApp and tap Photos. Make sure to give full access. Enable other settings like Live Activates, Background App Refresh, and Cellular Data. Tap Photos. Find WhatsApp in the list and ensure it has access to your photos. If access is denied, toggle it to allow access. Solution 3. Restart and offload WhatsApp. Close WhatsApp by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Swipe up on the WhatsApp app to preview to close it. After that, open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out WhatsApp. Don't worry, offloading your WhatsApp will not delete any data or whatsoever. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. After that, go back and check your storage. If you have low storage, try to remove some apps and games to have some free storage. After that, restart your iPhone. Now reopen WhatsApp and check if the photos appear in your gallery. Now that you have gone through these steps, your WhatsApp photos should show up in your iPhone's gallery. If the issue still isn't fixed, you can contact WhatsApp support for more help.